The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Donetsk direction, units of the U group of forces, aviation, artillery and heavy flamethrower systems have destroyed over 300 Ukrainian troops, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 3 motor vehicles, 1 Akatsia self-propelled artillery gun and the 20 howitzer during the day. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, operational tactical aviation and artillery of the Vostok group of forces neutralized Ukrainian units close to Ugledar in Donetsk People's Republic, Zelensky, Malaya Tokmachka and Malaya Sherbaki in Zaporozhye region. The enemy's losses have amounted to up to 40 Ukrainian troops, 3 motor vehicles and 1 US-made M777 artillery system in the past 24 hours. In addition, a fuel depot for military equipment of the 102nd Territorial Defense Brigade was destroyed near Zelensky in Zaporozhye region. In the Kherson direction, up to 20 Ukrainian troops, 2 motor vehicles and 1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer were destroyed by fire. In total, 403 airplanes, 224 helicopters, 3,528 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,370 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,070 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,410 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,052 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 920 servicemen in a single day, including 5 tanks, 8 artillery units as well as 2 MLRS and 2 air defense systems. In total, Kremlin lost 167,499 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,557 tanks, 6,887 armored fighting vehicles as well as 305 jet fighters and 290 helicopters. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky paid a visit to Donetsk region and pleased all the fighters. Our people, our military, our Donetsk region, our Ukraine, we are at home, on our native land, hence, we will win Ukraine, Zelensky said on March 22nd.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!